Yo, YouTube, we are back, the house boys. You know how we get. My guy Shaq been dropping crazy game lately.
Hey, going crazy every day.
Every single day. Real quick, if y'all have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. The House Boys YouTube channel gonna be coming up soon. So as soon as you see this on there, you gotta hit the subscribe button on that because there's gonna be nothing but gems on that, boy. So make sure y'all tap in, all right?
Sure.
But with that being said, today, this gonna be for the college students. This gonna be for the folks that's still in high school, still in college, and they trying to start their brand. This video right here is just for you. So you gotta make sure you leave a like because we're doing this one for y'all. So today we're gonna be talking about how you can start your clothing brand while you're still in college or high school, all right? So normally, I think a lot of people when they're in college and high school, they kind of preoccupied with like class and
all that, yeah.
So like with the way we gonna tell them how to do it, I think it'll be best if we start with the pre-orders.
That's gonna be the easiest way for them to start, honestly.
Literally. I don't think they're gonna...
With the pre-orders.
Yeah, I think if they, we let's just talk about it because now y'all can see we already brainstorming.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the pre-orders. Like if they in college and they about to start their pre-orders, what's the process like?
All right, so if you in college, for one, you gotta understand you got limited time already. So with that being said, you need to give yourself more time than someone else who got a lot of time, but you need to work more on marketing than the next person will have to, which is not a problem.
Nope.
Not a problem at all. You on college, so you got an advantage that most people don't have. You're around thousands of individuals every day, all day.
Every day.
Every day, all day. So if you don't, first thing first, you ain't got some access to a QR code, that's the first thing you need to be doing.
And a dot card.
That's the, hey,
a dot card.
You need to have that immediately, because all day, every day, wherever you go, hey, tap this, follow my brand page, follow my brand page, follow my brand page, follow my brand page. Just racking up. You don't need to sell anything right now, just keep them in the loop. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, guess what you do?
Next thing you want to do is buy your samples, all right? So when you do go ahead and get your QR code and your dot card, right? That's where you're gonna start posting your samples at. So basically what's gonna happen is you're gonna take the samples, you're gonna start wearing it and posting it on the page.
Absolutely.
And one of the best things they got is like the marketing scheme behind it or the marketing tactic behind it. Get ready with me while I go to English class.
Yes, like y'all got hashtags.
Y'all got all types of hashtags. Y'all got the get ready with me's. You got the, I got finals today. This is my fit I'm about to wear to go take my finals.
Right.
Like y'all got so many different tactics to start marketing your brand. But like you said, the most important part is the thousands of people that you have access to
every day.
Every single day.
Every day.
So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your samples. Now, if they don't have manufacturers, then obviously this is why you want to hit up one of us too. We got a bunch of manufacturers. It ain't nothing new now. Or you want to go to Alibaba and you want to use the RFQ, request for quotation. Now that's where you're going to be able to send a super wide message out to thousands or hundreds of different manufacturers.
Absolutely.
And they're going to start reaching out to you. So that way you don't got to worry about reaching out to them. You don't got to worry about taking, oh, this person sent me this recommendation and then they end up being a scam. Nah, just bring them to you and then you use the tactics that we give you to make sure you start talking to them the right way and negotiating, all right? Now, what would be the next step for that person who they got their sample in, they got their dot card. If you need a QR code, they go to an online website, they get their QR code. What's the next step if you're in college?
I would say the next step would be go ahead and get your SMS and email marketing set up.
Oh, immediately.
That would be the next thing, because now you can go ahead and lock up a website and start taking in these phone numbers from everybody that you're running into and just tell them, hey, my drop is on the way. You see what I got on today. Go ahead and put your phone number right here so I can get you the text message when it's available. And now you just racking up nothing but numbers and emails all day, every day.
Exactly.
All day. All this advantage to you when it's time to first drop your pre-order.
So what you want to do is you want to download an app called Under Construction. And basically what Under Construction is going to put your website like basically on lock. And the only thing people can give you is their email and their phone number and name. Right now, that's all you need. So like even recently when you gave me a gem where basically you lock the website and before you do a drop, right? And I was doing this probably 2 years ago during Black Friday, and that was the only time I was doing it during Black Friday. But if you do it during pre-orders, that just kind of escalates everything, like hype behind it, the tactics behind it, the marketing behind it, and then you unlock the website and then people go crazy. So like, what's one of the things you've noticed by doing that tactic with your brand?
For one, immediate sales. I'm talking about as soon as you release, you send out the message in about 20 seconds. Sales. You know how y'all want this, post that on your story when you got everybody posting the Shopify sales coming in left and right? This is how you do it. You set up your SMS email marketing. As soon as you release and send out the text message, They coming flying, I'm telling you.
Oh my God, I ain't gonna lie, that's probably, that tactic right there is giving me the most amount of sales in a 1 hour span ever.
Yeah.
Like ever. So if there's any gym you take out of this, is use that gym right there.
Also, it gives you the ability to give out to your customers discount codes when you do restocks, when you got unreleased, when you want to give out VIP drops. If you got some people, like, I'm telling you, it's advantages to having your SMS email marketing set up.
Exactly. So now, once you get those samples in, right? Once you got your website set up, if you don't know how to build your website, it's easy apps like Pagefly Landing Page Builder where you can easily, quickly build out a website. Now, the next one is, what about the images for the products themselves, right? They on college. There's multiple fucking locations that you can go to have a photo shoot.
You can go anywhere on college. And you own college, so I know just like you're an upcoming clothing brand, it's an upcoming cameraman on the camera that's on campus gonna be willing to help you out. You link up with them, you connect with them, y'all make magic all over the campus. You just don't know how much of an advantage you have by being in school that a lot of people outside of school don't have the advantage to.
Bro, huge fact. Like, think about it. The cameraman needs more portfolio pictures.
Exactly.
You need the pictures for your brand.
Exactly.
So really, you might be able to finesse the price and get it for free.
Just give them some clothes.
Yeah, be like, yo, bro, I'll set you up with this, right? And then on top of that, you're gonna have these pictures for your portfolio that's gonna help you get more business. And on top of that, when my brand take off, I start paying you for our shoots afterwards.
And not to mention, you on campus, so you got athletes,
influencers, damn near.
God, you got influencers. Don't let you be at a D1 school.
Oh
you
my
got
God.
athletes ready to get ready to go out to the league,
Bro,
probably.
literally.
Potentially. You never know what school you may be at. If you don't get these people under your wings, all your upcoming wannabe rappers, they out there, they making music. I'm just trying to give y'all the sauce, you know what I'm saying?
No
like,
cap.
if you can get a athlete under your wing in his early freshman, sophomore years, plug him in as your brand ambassador.
Yes.
He blow up and get to the league. What you think your brand going? Your brand going to the league.
Oh, God. Okay.
Your brand just got drafted first round, second pick.
Hey, look, and you lit off that. And now he wearing it when he going down the aisle and shit. He about to go out and play.
Exactly.
And that's free marketing for you, but you didn't have to pay an arm and a leg to get another influencer who don't know shit about you or your brand or what you stand for, right? Now, the next thing is, like, people think that they models got to be the best looking models in the planet.
And that's the wrong way to think about it.
Oh my God, bro.
When people think clothing, they want to see how it fit all body sizes, all body types, how it look. If I can know for a fact, oh yeah, he looks just like me, I see how it is on him. That's gonna help you get a sale. Versus, oh nah, I ain't no in here I look like that. My body don't look nothing like that. That's not gonna fit me like that because you got somebody with the perfect shape and size and looking. No man, just get you some regular models.
Regular size models, basically.
Get you some regular models, man, and just run it up. And you know, everybody on campus everybody got the cool kids on campus, brother.
Yeah.
Everybody know those kids on campus that everybody know about. So use them.
Bro.
If you got clothing, they want clothing. People in college ain't got money for real, unless they just doing something outside of college.
Bro, they just want the clothes.
They just want clothes in college. You supposed to utilize this whole university.
Think about it like this,
to your advantage.
When they in college, they really ain't got a crazy amount of clothes at college. Like, most of your clothes is at home.
Yeah.
So if you can deck somebody out in some clothes while they on campus, your chances of them wearing it multiple times is extremely high.
Make 10 people on campus your brand ambassador. Keep them in your clothes around campus. That's your marketing right there.
Literally, if you could catch them all, like, yo, I went to my campus today, and all your TikTok videos is this person wearing your stuff, this person in the lunchroom wearing your stuff, this person after school talking to 2 girls right now wearing your stuff. Like, that's all marketing. You know what I'm saying?
All that for social media.
Exactly.
All that is for social media.
Now then, they got to do the drop.
You got to do the drop.
Now, how do they go about marketing the drop? They got the pictures, they got their website, they know a manufacturer, they got their own samples, but now it's just time to, like, drop the right way. Pre-order the right way. So how do they do that?
Well, if they handle the marketing with the SMS email, they got that out the way, so that's a great thing to do. If you go ahead and got some samples in, do a giveaway. Just go ahead and get your customers and your audience that you've built up over time excited about what's to come. Now, a giveaway can be used to also build your SMS email list. You can do the giveaway. You can also get outfit, get ready with me videos leading up to the week of influencer marketing. Reach out to a couple influencers. You might got some on your campus. You might got to reach out to some at different schools, whatever the case may be. Just get everybody in the loop on the week of to get all your posting done. Your small brand ambassadors, your big TikTok stars on campus, whatever the case may be. Make sure everybody's on one accord to post all week long so your brand can get the most traction possible. And if everybody that's your influencer or your marketer posting and say, hey, go to this link to go ahead and put your number in to be updated on when it's released, you in an advantage because you just growing your list up and up more and more for the drop day.
Most people think, oh, I'm in college, so I can't start my brand. You have the best advantage in the entire world right now to start your brand.
The best advantage. Make your name while you can.
Exactly.
Don't leave the place of networking and then try to create a name. Take advantage of where you at.
It's gonna be more difficult. Think about them like, you're gonna be out in the city. After you leave college, you gotta go out and find 10 people as opposed to you going to the cafeteria and seeing 100, 200, 300, 400, 1,000 people in the cafeteria or outside or doing something. And the best part about it is like, you can have them do it for free.
Yep.
Yo, what's up? I got this in my duffel bag. Now I wanna talk about the duffel bag method, right? So I got a student right now, shout out to my boy, he has a brand called More Life. And basically I told him, get you a Nike duffel bag, keep you some merch in there. He got him about 4 different brand ambassadors that sell for him on campus. So all they do is bring back money. And on top of that, the Shopify notifications come in when somebody buy it because he used Shopify POS. But the duffel bag method is basically you keep 1 of every size, 1 to 2 of every size of your product in the duffel bag. And then what you're doing is after school, after campus, or after your class, you walk around campus and then you just try to get them bitches off. And your goal is to get everything off before you get back to your dorm room. After the 72 hours, right?
Yeah.
What should they expect? Now, if they get some sales in, where should their mindset be? Like, obviously, one of the things I think of is like, damn, it's possible. I just turned my idea into money. And that right there should give you more confidence than anything you've ever done right now, at least, right? But what should their mindset be now that they did a drop and they're about to go ahead and place this order with their manufacturer?
So they finna get ready to pay for the pre-order.
Yep.
Okay, so for one, go ahead and take care of the pre-order money. Get that money out the way and understand now that you know it works. Not, oh, I got this money. No, you know it works. Now if you can make this amount, you can make that times 10. Now you need to go back in, look at everything you just did. Study everything you just did. Redo that for your next drop, start applying, start planning, start laying down everything that needs to be handled. Look at your sizes, make sure you tell your manufacturer, hey, when we do the pre-order this next time, let's not worry about 3X because I didn't sell no 3X, so let's not worry about the extra small because I didn't sell no extra smalls. Like all this is gonna be coming to you. You're gonna see whatever you drop, oh, they didn't like this colorway, they probably like this colorway. So let me run this next drop and just focus on this colorway only. Now you're gonna have a lot of stuff to study, but don't let the money distract you from the stuff that you need to be focusing on that matters the most to bring those customers back to you.
Big facts. You're gonna have data, basically. Like you're gonna have a whole bunch of information. You're gonna know what worked, what didn't work, what sold, what didn't sell. And now you have a good understanding of how you should do an official drop next time, right?
Exactly.
Now, I think the best thing about all of it is that it's the fact that you did it while you were in college, right? And I think, again, the marketing behind it is just so good. Like, I'm 21 years old and I'm in college and I started my first clothing brand, and this is what it did on pre-orders. Boom, you show your orders, you show yourself shipping it out, and now on campus, you might get a little bit of clout. Now people wanna come to you to get your stuff and they just gonna buy it. You ain't even gotta give it out for free now. So you gotta realize you might take a little L in the beginning. It ain't even an L, it's really just you getting your brand out there. It's an investment in your brand. So you might take a small little investment in the beginning to give out to other people, but in the long run, that's what's gonna be the thing that's gonna bring you all of your clientele and your sales later in the next couple months, couple weeks, couple days.
Let's focus on what matters, man. Focus on what matters. That's why you gotta know why you're doing this.
It's the only thing that matters, yo.
You gotta know why you're doing this.
Exactly, and understand what the message of your brand is. So when people ask you when you're on campus, you know what to tell them. All right, so with that being said, it's the House Boys again. You already know how we come in. We got more videos on the way. YouTube channel, probably already up, so you should probably go hit subscribe on there, right? And yeah, bro, you already know to catch us at _the real Tez.
At HollywoodShack _.
Tap in, yo, we out.